Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth issue on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all open Bluetooth settings. You can open Bluetooth settings from settings app and from swipe down and in control center. Press and hold on Bluetooth icon and then click on Bluetooth settings. Now from here turn on and turn off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. And then your Bluetooth will start working properly. And if it's still not connecting with the device, then open Bluetooth settings again. And from here turn on Bluetooth and forget the device and reconnect it. So to forget the device, click on this information icon and then click on forget this device. Now again search for the device and connect it, and then it will connect. And if it's still not working, then restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press your power button and volume down button at the same time, and then swipe this icon to right side to power off your iPhone. Then after powering off, then power it on, and after restarting, reset all network setting in your iPhone. So to reset all network settings, open settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. Now from here click on reset network settings and then enter your lock screen passcode. Now here again click on reset network settings to confirm. It will not delete your any data like photos or videos from your iPhone. It will just reset all network settings in your iPhone. So after resetting your network settings, the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if it's still not working properly, then open settings again and click on general. Now click on software updates. Click on software updates and here check if your iPhone is updated to latest version or not. If your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating the iPhone, the Bluetooth will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.